Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. We haven't seen you in a week or so, and just to bring an update, it's been cold out, and what's better than on a cold night than sitting around sipping a Scotch whiskey. Tonight I've got some Glenmorangie 10. It's got a little citrus, a little oak, a little malt to it. And it's something that will help warm me up. But we're going to do something a little bit different tonight. But before we get started, I want to thank everybody that's hit the subscribe button. I want to thank those of you who are coming back again and again and again. If you like what you see, hit the like button, leave us a comment. But tonight I think we're making an interesting cocktail. It's an old classic. First poured in 1895 at the Waldorf Astoria Hotel, and it was named after a Scottish folk hero by the name of Robert McGregor. And with that said, let's get pouring. Tonight we're making a Rob Roy. We're going to start with our mixing glass, and in there we're going to put about 2.5 ounces of Scotch in there. Good healthy pour there. Next we're going to follow up with 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. And then the third ingredient that's going in there is sweet vermouth. And we're putting about 3/4 of an ounce in there. You've looked at all this stuff and you said, wow, that's pretty close to what he's making a Manhattan. Yeah, it's kind of like a Manhattan, except the big difference is instead of using rye whiskey, we're using Scotch. We're now going to put a couple of ice cubes into the mixing glass, and we're going to give this a nice big stir to chill it down. And we're going to take a chilled coupe glass. I just put ice in there to chill that down. And then last but not least, we pour. Finally, with a maraschino cherry, we garnish. And that is the Rob Roy. And that's a nice sip. Whoa, what do we have here?
I'm back.
She's back.
2 months of COVID. I'm back. It's good.
You like that one?
I do like that one.
There you go, folks. The Rob Roy and a wife.